I'm no one's Hello guys! Hello everyone! Welcome back again guys! Especially to those my fellow friends in Northeast India. Hello guys! How are you doing right now guys? And to my hometown, Philippines. My name is Jason De Rosario Maniklang guys. And this is my channel, Jerodix TV. Alright guys, so before we start our next reaction video for today's guys, I just want to remind you all guys, for those people that new to my channel guys, please guys, click that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell button guys for you to be updated always on my next reaction video guys. So for today's video guys, I just want to share and I just want to react this one video that requested to our one of our viewers guys. So I don't know what this music video guys, but I think this is a Manipur song. Manipur guys is one of the 7th state of India. So guys, this is my first time to react a Manipur song. So let's see guys what is the content of this song, and I think there's some short drama here. I don't know guys, but please join me until the end of this video guys, so that we know what is the content of this Manipur song or this Manipuri music video. So without further ado guys, let's get now and watch the video. There's two ladies here, so beautiful guys. Wow, look at that lady guys. It's gonna be exciting music video. She's so beautiful guys. Oh, there's a picture of them. Who's that? Maybe his boyfriend. Sounds good. Oh, his boyfriend countdown.
Yengjei Nangse
Maybe this guy, the father of the lady guys. Yeah. Oh, she's hiding. Why she's hiding the guy? Don't want to look this guy. She's a teacher. Yeah, she's a teacher guys. She's a teacher or she's student there.
Amoy sinahangli Wahang kaya na famda Lona lona chali Au kung kaya itanata
Why she's so always hiding this guy?
Hajagi may tumbong amjabi Famlaro inaksida Yengjei Nangse imit pena Yengjei Nangse imit pena
Maybe there's some misunderstanding.
Yen bagi pen banay din
This guy and this lady,
Ikukuring
guys.
ng tagisagtam
She put under the picture of this guy. She put under the pillowcase. Wow, look at that lady, guys. So beautiful, guys. I like the artist here in the story, guys.
Nang bungaw jaba nang bupam jaba
Oh, she's running.
Nang bungaw jaba nang bupam jaba Nang bungaw
But she have a
jaba
feeling in
nang
this guy, guys.
bupam jaba
Right? She have a feeling in this guy.
Ning TV nang
She don't want to talk.
Karamba nung damgi ko
She don't want to talk to this guy. And she always hiding.
Karamba nung dambagi ko semno
Picture of this lady.
Ay githamoy
Alright! Come here!
Githamoy bu asukwa haliba Yengjei Nangse Yen bagi pen banay din Mauzay Bikukuding ng tagisagtam Yengjei Nangse Yen bagi pen
Alright!
Mauzay Bikukuding ng tagisagtam
This girl always hiding. If she not hiding, she's running. Oh, I'm so hungry of this story. Why like this guy? So guys, I forgot to inform you the uploader of this Manipur song, guys. The name of the uploader is Tantha. So thank you so much for you, Tantha, for having me here to react this kind of Manipur song. Congratulations for the staff of this this Manipur song or music video. Congratulations for your successful to make this kind of video. Alright, so guys, I hope that you enjoy, but me, I enjoy it, but I'm so hanging on this story because there is no happy ending in this story, guys. So I think there is a part 2 of this story, and I would like to request the one who make this music video, please make another part of this story so that we will know what is the ending of this story. Alright guys, so thank you so much guys for having me here until the end of this reaction video of Manipur song, guys. Especially for those people in Northeast India, guys. Thank you so much for your endless love and support to my channel. And to my hometown also, Philippines, thank you so much guys. And I love you all. Good luck and God bless you guys. Bye!